So this is my new to me Mamiya 645 1000S. Can you see that? Yeah, so I picked this up off eBay. I bought it about a week ago, and it just got here from Japan probably about 2 hours ago. And I did a quick unboxing, and I'm really stoked. So for those of you who don't know, it is a medium format camera. I've gotten really into film like the past month. Actually, hold on one second. Okay, so I've gotten really into film lately. My main workhorse has been this, the Minolta SRT 101, and I've loved it so much. It's been so good. In fact, I should take a quick picture. Also, I've been using this app on my phone. It's literally just called Light Meter, and I think it's been working perfect. So we go 2.8. I'll put that down over there. So yeah, I've gotten really into film lately, and I figured why not step it up to medium format. So I don't have a lens just yet. I ordered I believe it's a 150 mil Mamiya lens, and it should be coming in hopefully soon. I mean, today's the can you see that? Today's the 6th. Well, today's the 6th, and it should be coming in, well, eBay tracking says the 25th, but the tracking says it's already in Los Angeles. So hopefully I'll get it before Paris, and I'll get to use this. So first impressions, I was a little nervous getting this from eBay because just at the time that I was looking, the Mamiyas at the price range that I was aiming for were either 4 parts or untested. And this one I found for about $200, and the only negatives the seller said were that the meter, well, he said that the viewfinder doesn't work, so which is somewhat true. It's somewhat untrue because you can look through the viewfinder. I don't think you'll be able to focus. You can look through the viewfinder and you'll still be able to see everything. Like, it's not broken. It's got like a little bit of fungus in the bottom, the bottom right hand corner. But I mean, I might be able to clean that. But I don't think it actually controls the shutter speed. So I have it at 250 right now. So if we go ahead and press, oh, beautiful sound, on the shutter, and I change it on here to, let's say, 15. We press it again. I'm pretty sure that was the same. And if we change it to, oh, it won't let me go past 15ths of a second. What if we do 1,000? But here, if we go to 1/8 of a second, see, that definitely worked, which is fine. It's okay that the controls don't work, and it's okay that the meter doesn't work. I already used my own light meter, that camera app I was telling you about, and I don't really need the controls here to work because it's literally right there. Although it also has a little spot for the ISO for the film, but there's no other place on the camera body to put that. I'm assuming it might be on the lens. Who knows? Who knows? But that's okay anyways. I'm looking for a waist level viewfinder anyways, which is the kind that flips up and then you'd have to hold it like this at your waist. So yeah, I think that's it for now. I'm not gonna touch the inside, I'm gonna get a blower. So yeah, that's my new camera. I'm excited to go out and use it. I just have to wait patiently for the lens. Hopefully it doesn't take as long as it says it's supposed to. It's supposed to be here by the 25th, which if that's the case, then I guess I won't take it to Paris, but hopefully I'll get it within the next week. I'll be able to throw in some film. I actually have another camera, one more camera in the mail. It's the Canon A1. I bought it again off eBay, like this one and the Minolta. I bought it off eBay for like 30 bucks. It is in pretty pristine condition. I just need a lens. So yeah, hopefully within the next week, I will have 2 new toys up and ready to go. So that's it for now. Thanks.